Now, earlier we told you that the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has given Nigerian Army full authorization to decisively crush all threats to country's peace and security without hesitation. Our correspondent reports that President Tinubu's remarks signal a renewed mandate for military to take action against insurgents, bandits and other violent elements undermining national stability. Here's the report.
These are not mere security threats. They are existential ones. And let it be said plainly, these evils do not discriminate by tribe or color. They destroy churches and mosques alike. They affect children without asking why they worship. Therefore, our response must be united, calm, and uncompromising. To the officers and soldiers of the Nigerian Army, I say this with clarity. The time to rise is now. You have my full authorization and the trust of the Nigerian people to confront and defeat those who seek to undermine our nation.
To understand that the government activities are designed to protect, defend, and not oppress. Consequently, in line with the Commander-in-Chief's directive on unity service involves self-identity with faces of community. Commanders in the field must remain present to residents in the city well-coordinated offensive while maintaining effective measures for force protection.
In another development, Vice President Kashim Shettima says repositioning the country's capital market is not merely an economic aspiration but national imperative essential to unlocking opportunities, fostering wealth creation and ensuring more prosperous future for all. Speaking at Judges Workshop organized by Securities and Exchange Commission in Abuja, Senator Shettima, represented by Dr. Tokwe Fashwa, stressed the importance of effective dispute resolution in transforming capital market. The event was themed repositioning Nigerian capital market for national economic transformation through effective dispute resolution. He described capital markets as lifeblood of modern economies, serving as a platform for mobilizing long-term investments, driving innovation, supporting SMEs, and funding infrastructure projects. He urged the judiciary to continue playing its critical role in ensuring trust, efficiency, and transparency in market operations.